Lots and lots of new products. Just adorable. All new mascaras, the perfect pairs. Home is where the heart is. What's up, YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny, Birdie, Gator. You guys, we are right here where I left off in the last video. I just showed the super cute nail polishes that come with the glitters. They come with the confettis. These are brand new from LA Colors. We also have the perfect pairs where you get 2 polishes in a pack, and they are really, really cute. Also brand new for the week, we have a 4-piece set. These are makeup brushes. Ooh, and I don't think I've seen this one yet. This is a vanilla moisturizing lip balm. You guys have probably seen these before, but they're super cute. They look like little macarons. And these are amazing. All of these beauty blenders. They get really big when you add water. We have lots of lashes. From everyone's favorite Ioni, the super TikTok famous face razors, eyebrow razors for getting that peach fuzz away. Those are back in stock. If you try to get those at Walmart, you're gonna pay about $5. Just adorable. Why did I think this said just affordable? Not just affordable, just adorable. I mean, we're all about affordability, right? So of course, I'm thinking affordable, not adorable. The Be Pure Makeup Remover Cleansing Towelettes. Lots of nails from the brand 7 Nail. And the little play nails for little girls are super cute. We have pandas, LOL Surprise, nails from Be Color. The roll-on glosses. I have one of these from LA Colors and I love it. I'm currently using watermelon. We also have the jelly bombs, the jelly lip glosses. These are all brand new for spring 2022. The cream gel blushes, the duo eyeshadows. We also have all new mascaras, Hourglass, Curve, Full, and Defining. And we have all new auto eyeliners. Yes, lots and lots and lots of new products from LA Colors. And I really have been enjoying the ones that I've tried so far. LA Colors has been sending me items for some years now to show on my channel, and I love their products. You know what, you guys? Let's go ahead and check out the glassware. See if we have anything new for spring, any new glassware. Oh, these are back again. These are so pretty. The pretty glasses, the cups, the bowls are so pretty. We have the matching towels, pot holders, sorry, oven mitts. And we have the pot holders. These are all by Royal Norfolk. You're the pineapple of my eye. And look what's back. Be brave and be bold is back. Also, welcome to my happy place. This one is also brand new. And this one is very simple and sweet. Home is where the heart is. We also have hug in a mug. That's what coffee is, right? Hug in a mug. Hug in a mug. I love these bowls. We have these at home. I really, really like them. So far, none have cracked and none have chipped. Knorr, we have the Knorr brand Alfredo fettuccine in a creamy Parmesan and Romano cheese flavored sauce. We also have the cheddar broccoli by Knorr, rice and pasta blend with broccoli and a cheesy cheddar sauce. Brand new for the week. The super tiny Frank's is here. That's buffalo, but we also have original, We also have the small Old Bay. And we have Louisiana. Now these go for almost $3 each in Walmart, and the big ones go for over $5. We also have little purse-sized tahines. You know you need your tahine. I didn't look at this side yet. $1.25 for a thing of eggs. That's a first. Clearance bologna, thick bologna, 10 ounces for 50 cents. I just wanted to see if we have anything new over here. Cooked shrimp, meatballs, home style. We have home style and Italian meatballs. Those are super pretzels. I know it doesn't say it, but flip the box over. Those are super pretzels, the brand super pretzels. And then over here, you can't go wrong because we have our best ever popsicle. Sour Patch Kids popsicles are the all-time best popsicle if you ask me. We also have chicken nuggets and fries. We have the meatloaf meal. And then a lot of Michelina meals, penne with white chicken, Salisbury steak, mac and cheese. What's this one? We have pasta with white chicken, peas and carrots. We have cheeseburger mac, fettuccine Alfredo. I already said the Salisbury, penne with white chicken, beef and peppers, chicken fried rice. Oh, and that's another beef and peppers. Let's pull it forward. There we go. And this one, poppin' chicken. The faces are so cute. I haven't seen that one in a while. Yes, you guys, we'll do one final check. Let's do one final check down the cleaning aisle to see if there's anything new. Because I love Dollar Tree's cleaning aisle. I just feel so cozy here on this aisle. I'm always looking for new items though. They have everything here. Carpet cleaner, disinfectant spray, floor cleaner. We have a new variety, 40 in a box. And then this store does have some breezies, 55 in a box. That's gonna be your best deal. 55 sheets in a box. I wanted to go further down the aisle, but they have some music on and you already know, I don't wanna get demonetized. I hope you guys enjoyed coming to this new store out of state with me here in Iowa. If you're from Iowa, let me know where you're from down below. Today, I am actually in Decorah, and it's been really refreshing coming to a brand new store. So thank you guys so much for coming along. If you want to see other parts of the store, please check some of my most recent videos. They're all filmed here in this location. But all right, you guys, thanks for watching. It's been a lot of fun, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.